First of all, open up your MidJourney Discord. Now here, you can see a prompt like a painting of a poster for the movie Princess Mononoke in the style of Claude Monet. Here, you can also see the image generated based on this prompt. Furthermore, you also have the option to upscale, creative this generated image, or you can also zoom out this image up to 2 times. After that, scroll down. And here is another prompt for wall art MidJourney painting. Now, simply, you need to copy the prompt. After that, click on the message bar and then select Imagine Prompt. After that, simply, you need to paste the prompt that you copied. After that, scroll up. And now, this is the generated image of your prompt. So this is how you can generate wall art image painting in MidJourney. If you found MidJourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.